Hello, everyone. Today, we're going on an exciting journey to explore the amazing movements of our Earth. We'll learn how our planet spins and orbits, and how these motions create the days, nights, and seasons we experience every year. Get ready to discover the secrets of Earth's motions. First, let's talk about the Earth's axis. Imagine a spinning toy, like a top or a Beyblade. It spins around an imaginary line right through its middle. Our Earth also spins, or rotates, around an imaginary line called its axis. But here's a cool fact. Unlike a perfectly straight spinning top, the Earth's axis is actually tilted at an angle. This tilt is super important for what we'll learn next. Did you know that long ago, people thought the Earth was the center of everything, and the sun moved around us? They'd say the sun rises and sets. But actually, the sun stays in its place, and it's our Earth that's constantly moving. Here's a fun fact. Historically, people believed the Earth was the center of the universe, and the sun rose and set by moving around us. We now know it's the other way around. Our Earth is a busy planet. It has two main movements that are happening all the time, simultaneously. These two movements are called rotation and revolution. Rotation is when the Earth spins on its own axis, like a dancer twirling. Revolution is when the Earth travels in a big circle around the sun. Both of these movements are constant and affect our lives in big ways. Can you believe it? The Earth moves incredibly fast as it revolves around the sun at a speed of 30 kilometers per second. Let's dive deeper into rotation. Rotation is the spinning of the Earth on its axis, and it moves from west to east. It takes exactly 24 hours for the Earth to complete one full spin. This movement is what causes the cycle of day and night. Think about it. The part of the Earth that is facing the sun gets light, and that's our daytime. The part of the Earth that is turned away from the sun is in darkness, which is our nighttime. Because it takes 24 hours for one full rotation. That's why our day, including both day and night, is 24 hours long. It also explains why places further to the east get to see the sunrise first. You can even try this with a globe and a torch. Shine the torch on the globe in a dark room, and you'll see one side lit, day, and the other dark, night, just like on Earth. Ever wondered why places in the east seem to greet the sun earlier? It's because the Earth spins from west to east, so the eastern parts of the globe hit the sunlight first. Now let's talk about revolution, the Earth's other major movement. This is when the Earth travels in a big path around the sun. This fixed path is called an orbit. The Earth moves incredibly fast in its orbit, at a speed of 30 kilometers per second. It takes our planet a little over 365 days to complete one full trip around the sun. Specifically, 365 days and 6 hours. Those extra 6 hours each year are important. Every 4 years, these accumulated hours add up to a full 24 hours, or one extra day. This extra day is added to February, creating what we call a leap year, which has 366 days. The most exciting thing revolution causes, together with Earth's tilted axis, is the change in seasons. Just like Earth, other planets also revolve around the sun, but they take different amounts of time to complete their orbit, leading to much longer or shorter years for them. Let's explore how seasons work with our tilted Earth. The equator is an imaginary line that circles the middle of the Earth, dividing it into two halves, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The North Pole is the northernmost point, and the South Pole is the southernmost. As the Earth revolves around the sun, its tilt means that sometimes the northern hemisphere is leaning towards the sun, like from April to June. When this happens, the northern hemisphere gets more direct sun rays and longer hours of daylight, so it's summer there. At the very same time, the southern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, getting slanted rays and shorter days. So it experiences winter. This means when India, which is in the northern hemisphere, has summer, Australia in the southern hemisphere has winter. And the opposite happens from November to January, when the southern hemisphere tilts towards the sun for its summer, and the northern hemisphere has winter. This amazing dance of Earth around the sun with its tilt gives us our wonderful changing seasons. It's important to keep our Earth healthy. Too much smoke and pollution in the air are actually making our planet hotter every year, which can affect our climate and seasons. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. The Earth has two important movements: rotation and revolution. Rotation is when our Earth spins on its imaginary axis once every 24 hours, and this amazing spin is what gives us our day and night. Revolution is the Earth's journey in its orbit around the sun, and it's this revolution, combined with the tilt of the Earth's axis, that brings us the wonderful change of seasons throughout the year. Understanding these motions helps us appreciate our incredible planet. Our Earth is always on the move. It's constantly rotating and revolving, making sure we have our days, nights, and seasons without ever stopping. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Earth's motions. Keep looking up and observing the world around you, because our planet is full of fascinating science. See you next time.